Good morning, I'm Carisha with Carisha Lou Art and Designs, and I'm going to start a little vlogging series where I take you with me through my day. Little clips, little parts, pieces of my day. This is me just drinking my coffee and my cozy jammies. So, let's see. Over here, I wrote down a bunch of Post-it notes and stuck them on my island yesterday because I always have all of these thoughts running through my head of things that I want to do or need to do for my business. So I have wrote these down and I'm just going to put them in my art room in a little while, but I'll give you an idea of what they are. So one of them is make live videos, which this one is not a live video, but I do plan on doing that. More process videos. I did one of those last night of me art journaling. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. Make prints from my sketchbooks and art journals. I've got some really pretty art in there, and it's a shame to have it stuck in a book, you know. Some of my favorite stuff is in there. I've got to work on my email list and make flyers for my classes, because social media is very hard to get classes and stuff like that out, especially if it's not like a month in advance, because a lot of times people won't see stuff until like 6 days or a few weeks later. So that's kind of hard when they see it and they're like, oh, I wish I would have seen this earlier, even though you've posted it several times. The algorithm, or however you say that, just doesn't push it out soon enough. So I've got to try other methods. I'm trying to get creative and think of, you know, new ways, old ways, flyers, and word of mouth, and try to do it that way. So stay tuned.